We've been getting the question a lot recently from customers on if they should be using AI or artificial intelligence to write content. It's true that Google favors websites that appear to be authorities in their industry, and one of the ways of doing this is filling your website with pages of information. But writing content is difficult, time-consuming, and expensive. Obviously, with AI, it has now become easy, fast, and cheap. For the time being, it appears to be working. As long as the AI content is well written, which for the most part it is, Google is not distinguishing AI content from content written by a human. But there are some dangers to watch out for. The first are engagement metrics. No matter who writes your content, Google lets users decide if it's valuable or not. One of the ways Google knows this is how long users stay on a page. If there are 2,000 words on a page, and users consistently stay on the page long enough to read all 2,000 words, then Google assumes the page has value and will send even more search traffic. But keep in mind, this works in the other direction too. If you use AI to write content that is just fluff it copied from other websites, users might not find it valuable. It might hit the back button 5 seconds after entering the page. In that case, all you're doing is teaching Google that users don't find this content valuable, and your search rank will drop. And keep in mind, this is true whether you use AI or write it by hand. So in the case of engagement metrics, the most important factor of all, and it doesn't matter who writes the content, but it does matter how valuable readers find it to be. But there's another factor to be aware of. It's possible, even likely, that Google will consider AI content to be a form of exploiting the algorithm or black hat SEO. Right now, it's unclear if Google is able to tell the difference between AI content and content written by a human. But you can be certain they're working on that problem. Once Google cracks the code and can identify AI content, it might remove any rate gains you achieved using it. I don't think Google will actually penalize you for using AI content. It's more that when it finds it, it might not give you SEO credit for it. It might not send search traffic to it. We don't know the answer to this yet, but it's likely Google will have some sort of response to AI content in the near future. So we use AI content to some extent here at Rank Harvest. While getting AI to write content is new to most of the world, it's been around in the SEO industry for several years now. I would say that most reputable agencies, including Rank Harvest, don't create AI content and try to pass it off as human written. For example, charge a customer the full price of a human writer, but then create it using AI instead. Here at Rank Harvest, we mostly use it to create content outlines and then fill it with human written content, or to discover new topics and subtopics that we weren't aware of. So should you use AI to write content? I would say yes, but with some hesitation. Don't rely on it too heavily, because we don't know what Google's reaction to it will be in the future.